سلام هون بخير هاتن Kurdish lessons هون چاوانن باشن ایرو روژا پیشی یا حیدا رمضانه و ایرو از ویدیوی که چکم از دخوازم ویدیو یا خویا نوچه یا دیلان یشیل گوز خلاص بکم بسه و هونيك ببيجن قوليتو چما روژا عيدة فيديو چدكي شبالكو ویست به امرابون ام چون مالا مالباتا میره من معید پیروز کر ام چون مالا جیرانا ام چون مالا متکنوی و میره من گوت بچه کاری من هیا دوی از لبر کمپیوتر کار بکم من جی گوت اوکی کاری من تنه و از دکارم ویدیو چکم نها او کاری خود که لسالونه از جی لعوده خومه و از جی ویدیو یا خو خلاص بکم حيدا وبيروز بيديسا هر سال بدلكي خوش وحمو عيدين و حمو ججنين و بمالباتا و بحسكريين وربي دلي و هر كيف خوش بي و امدس بي. Let's share the desktop. Okay, you don't need to see this. Okay. Alright, Hundvina, do you see the screen? Okay. So last time, Jarabori I'm liver mabon. So naha amejiver the spec and we'll start from here. Okay? Rob Jetton سرک وزیر هر جوان هلندای سرک وزیر هر جوان هلندای. So you know the word سرک وزیر. We have seen it before. سرک وزیر ما چی گوت بو؟ So وزیر is the minister. So سرک وزیر prime minister. So the youngest prime minister of Netherlands. This is Rob Jetten. Okay. سیاستمدار 38 سالی Rob Jetten سروکاتیا کابینه نودکه. The 38-year-old politician Rob Jetten سروکاتیا کابینه نودکه. So Serok is the leader, right? Serokati leadership. Alright, so he is doing the leadership of new cabinet. Okay, Serokati. The Serok leader. Oh, Serokati. We can say leadership. Alright. Oh, as بنعرم. Maybe some nice other words. Serokati. Serokati diyecek ki İngilizce leadership, presidency, presidential, monarchical, etc. Evet. Jettendet Seroke Partiya Demokraten Şestu Şestane. Okay. So Jettendet is the leader of Partiya Demokrata Şestu Şestan. So the Jettendet, the leader of the party, Democratic Party of 66, Waki Harjuan as the youngest and Yekem Serokwazire ku Nasnameya Khoya Havzayandi Ashkerekriye Ket Diroka Hollanda. So this guy, Rob Jetten, Ket Diroka Hollanda. He entered the Netherlands history. Why? Because Wiki Harjuan as the youngest prime minister, and Yekem Serokwazire, the first prime minister that Nasnameya Khoya Havzayandi. His homosexual identity revealed his homosexual identity. So he is the first prime minister that revealed his homosexual identity. Okay. So he entered the history of Netherlands with these adjectives like Harjuan, the youngest one, and the one who revealed his identity. Okay. Jetten, the kampanyaya hılbijartıneda in the Çava division kampanyaya hılbijartın bir İngilizce. So kampanyaya hılbijartını election companies, I don't know, kampanya hılbijartını soza vegerandına Hollanda'yı ya bo dili Avrupa'ya dabo. So he had promised So is done to promise, but so is something done to give the promise of something. Okay, so he had given the promise of returning Hollanda for the heart of Europe. I don't know what does this mean for Netherlands, but okay. Ou le digitavgaren populist and against populist sayings ببيامك positive with a positive message. Serkaftin بدست خستبو. He got successful. So بدست خستن is a nice verb. بدست خستن. بدست خستن is let me see بدست خستن. بدست خستن. بدست خستن إنجليزي yeah to achieve to acquire yes to achieve to acquire. Okay, so he achieved the success with this positive message. حكومة coalizione che kemineiku okay ji partien demokraten 66 banga demokratik a Hristiyanan u wedeye pekte. So the new government yeah, coalizione che kemine. Okay, kemine means kemani at least. Kemine or kemani. Kemine, kemani at least. At least. So pekhaten is to consist of. Pekhaten. أنا pekhaten فرهنگ آمده بجه بس كناس ببینم it says reconcile consist yeah so pekhaten so pekte comes from pekhaten to consist of to reconcile. So the new government at least okay the new government at least with the parties like from the parties of Demokraten 66 Banga Demokratik و Christianen و VVD Pekte. So it consists of at least from these parties. Okay. Now Dilan Yeşilgöz kiye? Who is Dilan Yeşilgöz? Dilan Yeşilgöz 1977 لأنقرة جدايك بوية. So جدايك بون it's hatten dünyayı is to be born. So she was born in Ankara in 1877. Baveve Kurdaki dersimiye udayika veji Türkiye. So Baveve dersimiye. So Dersimis are Kurdish, mostly Alewi, not Muslims. It can she can be a Zaza as well. So أونا Kurmanje, but probably Zazaya. Okay. So Hunduzanan, Damaku Amin division Kurd. When we say Kurdish, we mean Kurmanj, Zaza, Goran, Lori, Soran. Some people say Zazas are not Kurdish, but Audizanan, I don't force anyone to be Kurd. So if you are calling yourself Kurdish Kurd, as Kurmanjum as Kurdum, you can say as Zazama as Kurdum, but if you don't think so, it's completely fine. No, I don't insist. Evet. Bave ve Kurdaki dersimiye o dayika veji Türkiye. Okay. Dilan yeşil gözle temeneki küçük de Koçi Hollanda'ya kır. So Koçi somewhere kırın to immigrate somewhere. Okay, so Koçi Hollanda'ya so Dilan yeşil göz in a very small age immigrated to Netherlands. Ve 1999 in 1999 the Partiya Socialiste in his party dest bi kariyera xoya siyasi kir. He started with his kariyera xoya siyasi, his career in politics. U pishtre, and then Beshtari VVD rastkir ya Nahvendi bu, and then she joined VVD, the one rastkir, writer, and mid Nahvendi Central. Okay, so let me write Central Nahvendi. So Navend is center. I'm division Navenda Bajer, the city center. But Navendi Central. Okay. Oh my God, Rast is right. Rastker. Do you say rightist? But English. So as you see, I don't really read news in English. That's why I don't know these terms in English. As ibn Rastger فرحن قامت بيجي Rastger حلو Rastger چیه؟ Rightist. Rightist. So we have leftist. This is the rightist. Okay. Right wing. Okay. تمام. بهستياريا خويا لهمبري مجارن كردي تناسكرن. Okay. So here we know this new is about Dilania Shilgos. So here it's about Dilania Shilgos. But here we have a passive sentence. So te naskeren is known. So she is known. She is known with his hysteria khoya. Yeah, with his emotions like against Kurdish subjects. So she is known with his emotions against Kurdish subjects. Okay, so against these Kurdish subjects, she has some like emotions. So she always, I don't know, shares them, speaks about them, sensitive about them. Okay, so it says Dilan Yeshilgus, the career khoda in her career, بهستیاری خویا لهمبری مجارن کردی تیر. She is known in her career بهستیاری خواه with I will check هستیاری. How to say هستیاری بإنجليزي. هستیاری درجة touchiness. So yeah, with his touchiness against Kurdish subjects. Okay. Where Hartem, she always, da'ani zaman ko. So here we have the verb anin zaman, to mention. Where da'ani zaman, she was mentioning that dve jivaka navnetawayi, International Jivak Society, پشتگیری بده فداکاری پشمرگیان و حزب سوریه دموکراتیک. Yeah, so she always mentioned that Jivaka Navnetawai International Society should support فداکاری پشمرگیان و حسده کو لعراق و لسوریه لدجي داعش شركرية. Okay, so she was mentioning that these international societies should support Peshmerga و حسده جبالكو these people Peshmerga و حسده, so they are fighting against Daesh in Syria or in Iraq. Okay. Yeshil Goze Mehen Bori in the last months, the Dama Sharel Syria there in the time of Syrian war, Bankrebo. She called Ku Dve civilian could ben parastan. So here again we are having passive sentence. So Bankrebo, so she called that the civilian Kurdish civils should be protected, defended. Okay. وهروها she also moreover piştgiri dabu supported so piştgiri done to support وبشتغري دابو she supported خوانيشاندان لإيران protesto okay خوانيشاندان يعني protesto protesto protesto وخستبوكو أن wanted that supaya pastaran a Irane بكوي ليستيا terrore أري and she wanted that this supaya pastaran of Iran should enter this list of terrorists. Yeşil göze pişti dest bikarina xwe after her starting with the work daxuyaniyek da. So daxuyani then to make an announcement, okay? Or let me see daxuyani. Advano announcement daxuyani. Or announcement أري daxuyani announcements daxuyani she gave announcement and biryardariya xoya di serdemanu da wiha anî ziman and she biryardari like biryar is decision biryardari I will check biryardari jî his deliberateness how do you pronounce this deliberateness yeah so biryardari deliberateness و biryardariya xoya di serdemanu da yeah her deliberateness in the new serdem in the new season wiha anî ziman she mentioned this way Ez li benda avakirina welatekî bihêzim I am waiting for building a strong, powerful country that karibe li hemberî metirsiyên îro û sibê xwe biparêze that karibe that can against I will check matersi the English words for matersi for danger okay that against dangers of today and tomorrow protect itself and لسرلنگ خو بسکنه and can stand on its feet okay as لبندا آواکرنا ولاتکی بحیزم the very nice sentence so لبندا or if you use heaviya instead of banda it's also correct لهيفية banda ولاتكي بحيزبون so here you use to be أزم to ye أوان okay as البندا ولاتكي بحزم I am waiting for a powerful strong country that can against dangers of today and tomorrow protect itself and لسر لنجي خوا بسكري and can stay on its legs okay so independent country we mean أري بحثا كردستاني تكي نانانان أري وفهمكر أف باش بتشيكي زوبو سويدت little bit quickly ليه من خوش خلاص بك بس از ما خوازم ادي لسه بي فيديو هي بخلصم أري ما خلاص كر از هي فيديكم وجي فيديو يه جنوچه سود ورگرتبه و هن هینی پیوه نو بوبن هیویا من اوه حتى فيديو يكدن لخو باش بنرن بمينن بخير و خشية ده و بخاطره